National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, western Huron County, northeastern Hancock County, eastern Ottawa County, Sandusky County, Seneca County, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles north of Oak Harbor to Astoria and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fremont, Tiffin, Port Clinton, Clyde, Sandusky, Norwalk, New Regional, Putney Bay, Green Springs. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Hancock, Huron, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seneca.